Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming what is on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. I have this in the color gold and I've been wanting to film this video since I've gotten it, honestly. So yeah, but before we get started on what is on my iPhone, I do want to say if you guys could please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. And then at the end, if you decide that you like this video, give it a thumbs up. So let's jump into what is on my iPhone. Guys, so let's jump into what's on my phone. So my phone has just a plain old background. When you first open my phone, you're going to see just a plain background. It's the same for the lock screen and home screen. So I just got this phone, so I did reinstall like a bunch of my apps. I still have so many more to download, but this is what I have going for me so far. So when you first open it, I have my FaceTime, my calendar, which I don't really use that much, my photos, camera, and I'll show you guys what that looks like on the iPhone 11 Max. So that's how the zooming in thingy works. But yeah. So I have my camera, my mail, which I didn't put my email on there just because I don't use it that much. My alarm clock, my maps, weather, and all that other stuff. And then I have my messages. For some reason, this phone has been freezing a lot lately and I don't like it. But now it does have the text swiping thingy, which is cool. And let's see, I have my podcasts. I have to re-download everything onto here, like my podcast and stuff, which I like Crime Junkie. That one's my favorite one to listen to. And that's it, honestly. Oh, look at, yeah, they're up here. Oh, Straight Up with Saucy, The Morning Toast, and Brandy. See, like, yeah, they're all just started popping up. You guys should really check out Crime Junkie if you do like hearing about crime stories. And these are all based on real ones. I love Crime Junkie. And I think they also have a YouTube channel. So then I have my Apple TV. I have wallets. I don't use wallets. I don't use a home. I have my settings, my phone, my messenger, and my Apple Music, which I love. I listen to all kinds of music, like country, a lot of rap, a lot of country. A lot of Blink-182. I listen to all types of music. And then on my next slide, you're going to see I have files, find my iPhone. I haven't used shortcuts yet. I guess we could try and use it. I guess, do you put your favorite apps in here? Let's see. And I don't know what to do with that. I have my iTunes store, tips, contacts, Apple Watch, which I do have my Apple Watch, and a bunch of other stuff. iMovie, GarageBand I don't use, Pages I don't use, Numbers, Keynote, and iTunes I don't use. I do use those on my iPad Pro, but I'm not on my phone. Facebook, YouTube Tracker, YouTube Count, YouTube Studio, Pinterest. I love Pinterest, guys. Like, I literally am obsessed with it. I love looking at outfits, like super cute outfits, like that one. Like comfy outfits. I like looking at work outfits for work, like get some inspiration, and people who use their like Louis Vuittons on outfits and how to pair it with stuff, because I have a Louis Vuitton Never Full, so yeah. And just like, I love Pinterest. Like, I could literally be on here like all day. Like, there's always just like good ideas on here, cute outfits, and especially if you love fashion, it's definitely the place to look. I use Canva for my thumbnails all the time. Canva and Photoshop are my two go-to for thumbnails. Like to Know It. Oh my god, guys. Like to Know It is seriously the best invented app ever to find outfits and stuff that you like directly want to buy. So how Like to Know It works is basically an influencer will take a picture of their outfit or whatever, and then they like post it on Instagram, and they have a Like to Know It app. So here, let's click on somebody. Let's click on this girl. So all her outfits are linked, like her exact outfit is linked so you could buy it, and I think that's so great. I love this app so much. Going on to the next slide, I have my Snapchat. I have this one is for my personal life, so I do not put it on YouTube. I don't want anybody to get my Snapchat, so yeah. I have Instagram. I have 2 accounts, and one's for YouTube, and then the other one's set to private for, the one that I use for like family and stuff is set to private. I won't accept anybody on there that I don't know. And then I have this one, which is Sonia and Mads with 2 S's at the end. And yeah, so I have Instagram. I love Instagram. I'm always on there. Target, of course. I am always on Target. I like looking to see the Cartwheel offers, which it's not working right now, which is weird. Oh no, it's working. So I like always go onto Target to see if they have any offers. Sometimes they'll have like 20% off Starbucks iced coffees. So I like that. I have Chase, Wells Fargo, and then my AT&T Messenger for Facebook. But I don't ever really go on there, which I kind of think I'm going to delete. Well, I guess I can't. And then I have Geico for my insurance, Poshmark. I am listing up my Louis Vuitton Speedy Bandolier 25. So if any of you guys are interested in buying that, my Poshmark will be linked down below. And yeah, so I go on Poshmark a lot. I have the realtor.com. Me and my fiance are going to be buying a house next year. So I go on here a lot to look at places that I would like to live, areas I want to move to. And yeah, so that is it for what is on my iPhone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And give this video a thumbs up if you do like it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I'll see you next time. Bye.